guys, and welcome back to another video. And today we're going to be showing you this bag. And again, it has your name on it, like the last video I had the name. And it has this pattern with some crystals on it and the removable popper charm, which you can remove. And there's a zipper on here, which you can unzip. You can store some pop charms in there. And you can turn it round with another popper charm on it. And then you have this heart charm coin purse that you can also put on the little clip. And it has some sparkly fabric here, all over, like that, all over. And then on the back, with the sparkles, see there, you can also have these little feet that it helps to stand up. It's like a semicircle sphere, sort of, it's half a sphere. And then it stands up better. So thank you for watching, and make sure you subscribe. So bye.